Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm just here to tell you a little bit about a product that I recently got a sample of in the mail. I got one and then my husband got one. So I've already tried it and I absolutely love it. It's an in-shower body lotion, so you don't have to wait, until your skin's all dried off and you're out of the shower to apply it, which makes it a little bit easier to use than a regular lotion. It's Nivea is the brand, which you've probably heard of before. They've been around for a really long time. It's an in-shower body lotion with cocoa butter. It has 24 hours plus moisture, so it will last you at least 24 hours. It moisturizes instantly and has no sticky feel. It's for dry to very dry skin, and you could use after cleansing. I think I might have filled out a survey for Nivea explaining to them, because I do use their products, explaining to them what my skin type is, and I'm thinking that that's why they sent me the sample. But I mean, I'm really happy that they did, because I love to try things, especially before I purchase them, and I definitely like this. I think I've only tried an in-shower body lotion once before, and I'm thinking the brand, I'm trying to remember what the brand was. So I don't think it was St. Ives. I can't remember exactly what it was, but I liked it, and then I never ended up purchasing one again for whatever reason. But I'm glad that this has gotten me like reacquainted with it, because I really like it, especially because I shower in the morning, and that's usually when I apply lotion. Like, I try to put it before bed too, but sometimes I end up forgetting, so it's more so for me in the morning after I shower I apply body lotion. So this does make it a little bit easier, because it's already basically, you're in the shower anyway, so you're basically just like, you get ready in one spot. You just put the body lotion, your in-shower lotion on, and you could hop on out of the shower and then dry off. And it's really nice, because then it's not like you have to dry off and wait for your skin to dry and then apply the lotion. You could find this in the body lotion aisle. This is just like a small sample, so it's just 0.31 ounces, 9 milliliters. This is the full size. The full size is going to be, I'm not sure how many ounces that is. Looks like it's at least 6 though. Okay. Moisturizes instantly with no sticky feel. Really easy. How to use it. Use your normal shower product and rinse off. Apply this in-shower body lotion on wet skin while still in the shower. Avoid applying on the bottom of your feet. Rinse body. Thoroughly clean tub shower with hot water after usage to remove residue and avoid slipping. Dry yourself, get dressed, and go. The unique skin pampering in-shower body lotion deeply moisturizes the skin. Its high content of moisturizing ingredients may make surfaces more slippery than other shower products. Result: skin is left feeling smooth and moisturized right after the shower. Dermatologically tested. Caution, keep out of reach of children, of course, for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. Discontinue use if irritation occurs, and take care to avoid slipping in the tub or shower. Ingredients: water, petrolatum, glycerin, cetyl alcohol, hydrogenated cocoa glycerides, sterile alcohol, myristyl alcohol, fragrance, theobroma, cacao, cocoa seed butter, non-fat dry milk, aluminum starch, acrylates, alkyl, acrylate, cross-polymer, carbomer, sodium hydroxide, trisodium, EDTA, and phenolphenol. Sorry. Struggled through that one a little bit. Okay, so Beiersdorf, the company that makes Nivea, made in Germany, distributed by Beiersdorf Incorporated in Wilton, Connecticut, the distributor. This is just a sample, of course, so not for sale. And for more information on how to use, go to NiveaUSA.com/InShower. And then there's the number you could call if you have any questions. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go in the shower, and I'm going to show you guys how my skin looks after. Okay guys, so I literally just got out of the shower, and I put on the Nivea in-shower body lotion, and it feels wonderful. I don't know if you can really see, but I put it on my skin, and I just wanted to show you guys like the consistency and stuff. So it's just a consistency almost of like a regular lotion, but super moisturizing, and you could definitely smell the cocoa butter in it, which I love. Cocoa butter is good for so many things. Smoothing, it's good for stretch marks. It's awesome. You can see that the lotion completely disappears into the skin and just leaves you feeling moisturized and non-sticky. So I definitely would recommend this product. I think it's so awesome. I'd rather use in shower body lotion than a body lotion out of the shower. It just makes life easier. So try out Nivea in shower body lotion cocoa butter 24-hour moisture. I know you guys are going to love it, and thank you so much for watching.